Dear friends, there was once a young violinist who was about to perform for the first time in front of a large audience. In the beginning, he was a bit nervous, but as he began performing one piece after another, he slowly gained confidence. And at the end of the concert, he received a standing ovation from the whole crowd. But still, this young violinist was not pleased. He was not satisfied. He was waiting for something. And then an elderly man rose from the front seats and applauded him. It is only then that the violinist relaxed. After the concert was over, after he had finished meeting everybody, one man asked him, "The whole crowd applauded you. There were more than 1,000 people in the crowd, but still you were not satisfied. But what was so special in that once man approval?" And the violinist said, "He was my master. So if my master has in a way approved what I have done, then I am satisfied." My dear friends, today's readings are in a way trying to tell us the same thing. The voice of the master matters. And that is why we see that the apostles are in a way today told, do not speak anything about Jesus. In a way, they have been charged, they have been threatened. And therefore, the apostles, what is their response? We are witness to these things, and so is the Holy Spirit. This decision that they take doesn't come out of comfort, but it is out of fear. They are very well aware that they too may face the same punishment. They may be put in prison, they may be locked away, or they may be even put to death. But still we see that the apostles have that courage, and this courage comes from the encounter with the risen Lord. It comes as a result of the gift of the Holy Spirit that they have received.